These are the new Ugreen X5 true wireless earphones, which I just received today. Let's take a closer look at what you'll find with the packaging experience, which is pretty compact, yet has everything you'd need. Opening up the lid, you find the headphones, but before we get into those, under the lid is a pamphlet with your usual setup instructions. The headphones case comes neatly wrapped, and once you take it off, it gives off this glossy look to it, which I'm not complaining about. The flatter top and bottom edges makes the case rest perfectly easily on top of a flat surface, and of course you've got the function button here, a Type-C USB input for charging, and some LED lights to indicate status. There's Ugreen branding on the lid, and the lid itself is very tactile and premium feeling. You get this sort of snap when you open and close that's fairly satisfying if you do it multiple times, and there's also no question of the headphones falling off this thing, so they're well protected inside and they're well sort of fit inside as well. The earbuds too have this nice ergonomic shape to them and come with separate rubber tips which you can configure, and that's also a great segue into the additional things you get in the box. Of course, the tips, the different sizes, all the way from extra small, then small, medium and large, and a Type-C to a Type-A USB cable that of course is helpful for charging the earphones. For me, the pairing process with the headphones was also fairly simple. All I had to do was click the function button and then open up the lid like so. And once I did that, they almost immediately showed up on my phone's Bluetooth menu, and I just had to click on them and connect. These come with Bluetooth 5.2 as well as Qualcomm's aptX audio support. So that's great to see, and I'm really looking forward to testing these out and see how the 10mm dynamic drivers on the headphones really perform in real-world scenarios. Also, with these coming with rubber tips, they fit extremely snug in my ear, and that's something I appreciate from any headphone. As soon as they have rubber tips, they don't fall off, and that's just a convenience I love having on my true wireless earphones. And when you put these on, they don't have active noise cancellation, but they do have some sort of a feature which reduces ambient noise to a certain extent. And I am going to elaborate on that more as I use these and probably come back to you with a full review, which also includes things like battery life, how these perform in real world scenarios, as well as sound quality. But for the time being, I think I am going to leave you guys with that. Let me know what you want to see with these headphones down in the comments below, and definitely subscribe and like to see more of my future videos. Thanks for watching. This was Vaibhav, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.